Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new release video. These releases go live Wednesday at noon Eastern on our website, which is linked down below. But let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases because we have a lot of stuff. Last week I went a little light, so now it's time to go crazy. So let's go over the non-like collection items first. So first thing we have is this week's Wiggle, which is Copper and Twinkle. And we've had Copper in a couple of different formats. It was also in last month's mystery, but we are going to be offering it as a full Wiggle. So this is the Twinkle format, like I said. So you do have the deco page, the circle icon, 6 of these pages here that have the like headers and full boxes and half cut headers. And then you also have the there's the food ones too, but oh no, right there, food ones, and then the icons, the scripts, as well as the bottom washi. And again, that is in Copper, which we have had in the shop before in different formats and old formats and things like that. But I just feel like Copper is one of the like quintessential fall Wiggle colors. It's very similar to Bonfire, but not really, because Bonfire has like a red shift to it. I honestly don't know where I'm redoing my sticker organization, so like I don't even know where my like Wiggle is to show you guys of Bonfire. But this one's just like kind of like an orangey copper color with no shift. It's just like a shiny foil, and I really love it. It's one of Kirsten's, if not Kirsten's, favorite foils, so definitely check that out. And then we do have 3 different quote box overlays, or full box overlays with quotes on them. So for the first one here is a Halloween one. So it says trick or treat, happy Halloween, boo, and too cute to spook. And those will be available in all 4 foils. There's also this one, which is the second Halloween option, which has which better have my candy, I put a spell on you, which please, and it's spooky season in all 4 foils. I love this one, super cute. And then I also do have a baby's first sheet, which has come at the perfect time because I'm so excited to have all the firsts. So baby's first Thanksgiving, Christmas, Halloween, and Easter. So those are the foil new releases for this week. I also have some vinyls this week. We did have some vinyls come out last week. I believe as of filming this, there's about like 20 or less of each left, and I don't plan on restocking these. I did vinyls for this week's releases as long as last week's releases and next week's releases. So these I think might have less than 20 left. So there was the jack-o'-lantern from the Boo kit, which was custom art. All these are custom art. There's also the spooky candle, like the diptyque looking candle, and then that was from Boo. And then also the Madame Leona from Haunted Mansion, or Haunted Magic in the shop. So then this week we have, it's kind of like a little hint to what collection is coming, but we do have 2 vinyls, and these are vinyl stickers. So you can either use them like as a die cut, or if you want to like put them on something like a laptop or a water bottle or wherever you want to put them. We do have these 2 this week, and like I said, they are limited quantity, and I don't plan on restocking those, but I just wanted to do something a little bit fun for Halloween because I love the spookiness of Halloween. So let's go ahead and get into the kits this week. There's honestly so much going on. The first thing that I have here is a monthly kit, and this is sized for the Aura Estelle monthly, sized spread monthly, Aura Estelle monthly, yeah. So I will actually link that down below so you guys can see which one it is. It is not sized for like the standard Erin Condren size planner. This is an Aura Estelle size, so I love this kit so much. This is really pretty like pinky witchy art, which I just love. So that is the front page here. I love these girls so much. They're like my favorite girls like ever. And then I love these colors, very fall but also kind of Halloween vibes. And then you have the boxes page. So that is the quick easy little 3-page kit. And then there's the option if you want to add on the deco or the functional sidebar. So this is the deco one, so really nice close-up of the house. And then this is the functional sidebar, so you have all of your check boxes there. So that is the monthly. I plan on releasing a fall one. I just want to see like all of the fall art that comes out first. Speaking of fall art, I do have a mini kit exclusive here that I want to show you guys. So this one is called Pumpkin Spice. I thought this was really, really pretty art. I love the 2 girls and like the colors in here along with the donuts. So this is the full boxes page. Then you have your deco. Again, I really like these like warm fall colors. You have your functional page, your I guess like your new mini kit page, which I just think is super cute. And then plaid bottom washi, which you guys know I love plaid. And then last but not least, I did do like a different freebie for this one. So this one has a squared half box, a squared third box, a fancy label, and then some extra little things in this orange color, just because I thought that, like, you know, I thought I liked these colors better, but I also really liked the orange, so I threw this in. So let me know what you guys think of this as like a freebie option. You know, I like kind of spicing it up and changing it up, whether it's, you know, just doing our regular scripts or doing like a tall box or doing 2 extra full boxes or doing like the squared box like I did with like Tiki and Small World. So I just thought I'd change it up and see what you guys think of that. If there's like maybe like a color that I'm not using in the 4 colors that maybe I want to pull in just a little bit, let me know what you guys think of that down below. There is also the option for this if you want to add the 15mm, the label sampler, the glitter headers, and then there's also the option if you want to add on the fashion girls, which are super cute. So that is everything for pumpkin spice, and again, that is a mini kit exclusive. Let's go ahead into this one here, which is called Spooky Magique, and this is so pretty. I love the colors in this. I feel like with Wiggles, this is like you could do anything. It's so pretty. I feel like you could honestly even do copper, but I'd probably personally pick like some kind of like, yeah, it'd be really cute. I would pick some kind of like pink or purple, like sparkly, and we have so many sparkly pink and purple Wiggles in the shop to pick from. It's like, it's a really, really cute colored kit. Yeah, I feel like it's pretty true to color on camera, which is so pretty. I love the way these colors printed. Okay, so the extra in both the ultimate and the mini is a tall box. Again, I like switching it up, and I love this castle with the ghosts. I just think it's super cute. I'm probably gonna save this for whenever I go to Disney next during Halloween, which I hope is sometime like in my lifetime. But I just love everything about this. I love the spooky vibes, and like it's more spoopy, I guess. But I just love the fashions. We got the balloons, we got the ears, we got the nails. It's just so, so cute. And the churro and the M&Ms. Oh, I just love it. On this slushie that looks like it's like glowing. Oh, so cute. Then you have the extra full boxes over here, which I love. I love this page so much. Again, these colors are life with the orange. I just feel like this is going to be one that I feel like so many people are going to do really cool things with, like Wiggles, that it's going to look so cool. And also I think that like if you wanted to bring in more black, I would do like the black prism Wiggle, and I think that would be like really, really neat. You have your little things, and then I love this bottom washi. What is this called? Like terrazzo or terrazzo? I don't know. I'm not like educated on the trends, but I love when Jess does patterns like that. Like love them, love them, love them. So that is Spooky Magique. It does come in the mini kit. Like I said, the mini kit has the same freebie. And then let me show you guys the extra. So the first thing is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. I did do 2 different glitter header options for this because I thought like it kind of depended on how you were going to go. You could do like the black to pull in the black if you wanted just to like, you know, this would be cute. And if you wanted to use like crazier Wiggles, like pinks and oranges and stuff. But also I thought it'd be cool to do like, you know, the classic 4 colors, because I think that like it would still look cool if you did like crazy Wiggle colors, or if you just did like a silver, that'd be nice. Or if you did like the black prism with the black prism headers over this, it'd be super pretty. And it also does have like a kind of like a multicolor with black glitter throughout, like in all of the accents. So it's like black and then all of the other colors mixed together. But I wanted to do the 2 different options. I'll probably just keep whichever one sells the best after a couple of weeks so we don't have like both there. But I wanted to give you guys that option. There is also the option for the label sampler, and then there's also the fashion girls, which I just love. I love that Jess did the like, what are they called? The like volumes of different like fashion people, and I just like love recoloring them. It's so like, it's so therapeutic to me to like recolor stuff. And like whenever she does like the white like outfits and stuff, and recoloring those is just so fun. Like the possibilities are endless. I did use these 3 are from the like fashion volumes, and I just love them so much, so much, so much, so much. So there's that. And then speaking of kitness, Jess, oh my God, we have a custom, and this is called Hocus Pocus. I have done Hocus Pocus like type of kits in the past, but I feel like they're always revolving around the Sanderson sisters, so I wanted to do something that's more revolving around, you know, like the 90s vibes, and then also the kiddos like in the movie. I just think it'd be super fun. So I watched the movie and wrote tons of notes, and I was like, let's do this. So I just love this kit so much. I love the colors. It's not traditional really Halloween colors, but I still think it's like a really cool vibe. So you have the house here and just all different elements from the movies, like Danny's hat, and then you have Max's like hat over there. Lots of hats. You got the salt, which I love, that just did like the little Salem art, and all the different candies, the drumsticks, the book, the black flame candle. Like, I am here for all of it. It's just so dang cute. It's just how I imagine Halloween. You know what I'm saying? Like, whenever I was growing up, I just imagined that would be like my Halloween, and I just watch it and I'm like, I want to trick or treat like that. So then this is the like my favorite page. So you have 2 different extra scenes here, which I thought were really like kind of cool scenes to add. So this is kind of like the little like, I don't know what it's called, maybe like a lookout in his room, and then you do have Binks in the bottom. And then whenever I was watching the movie, I really loved this scene where they like swing open the door, and I like that it was just kind of their silhouette. So you kind of like, you know, it's more for the kids, but then also you do have the element of the Sanderson sisters in there. And then all of the patterns are like kind of tie-dyed to kind of like pull in Max's shirt. So I really like that Jess did that too. So I just think it's so stinking cute. And other elements in here, you have like a little lighter, and then you also have his like Nikes that are super cool. I think they're Nikes, right? Yeah. But there's lots of cool stuff in here. Love it, love it, love it. And then look at these colors. So like I said, not traditional Halloween colors, but I think like a 90s vibe, and also goes with the theme, and all the tie-dye too. I'm like super into it. I just love this kit so much. Like, this is so fun. And I think with some, I don't even know what wiggle color. I think I might honestly just do silver, but like let me know in the comments down below if you have a better idea. And again, for this one too, I like really liked this dark blue color, but I liked all these colors more, but I just wanted to have something to kind of pull that in a little bit, the color on the sidebar here. So another kit where I was just like, let's just add some more. So I thought that this was the perfect amount of like just little extras to kind of like pull in this blue color while still having the other colors in there. But so you can see, super cute. So I love this collection. I just love customs. It's just so fun to do. So that is Hocus Pocus. Again, that also does come in a mini kit. We do unlimited stock for the first 48 hours. I don't know if I mentioned that yet in this video, but there is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, which I did do kind of like, you can't really, I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of, depends on if you saw it without it, but I did do like a little bit of like a lighter, darker kind of vibe in here. I don't know if you can kind of see in the orange where it's like lighter and then like a little bit darker and like darker and lighter. It's kind of like, not like a tie-dye glitter, but like kind of mimic it in a way. So there was like lighter and darker spurts. I don't know. It might not be noticeable to anyone, but I just wanted to throw it out there. And then there's also the label sampler if you want to add that on. So that is Hocus Pocus. Is that everything? I think that's everything. So that's everything for this week. I am so excited. I am like ready to plan for Halloween. Like, it's so cute. It's all so cute. And I'm like bummed that I'm not going to use this one until like I go to Disney. But you know that like when I go to Disney and Halloween, I'm going to be using that kit. But honestly, like I might not be able to hold it in, and I might just have to use it prior. Let me know if you're going to use it like when you're not going to Disney, because I just think it's a really cute kit, and the colors are super fun. It's almost like gamer vibes with like all of the really bright colors. Oh, it's so good. So that is everything for this week. Again, we have the 2 full collection, one being the exclusive art as well as the mini kit exclusive, and then we do have an Aura Estelle monthly along with the Copper Wiggle in Twinkle and the 3 different quote boxes, as well as the 2 new release vinyls. And then, like I said, I wanted to show you guys these because I didn't last week, but these are the vinyls that I released last week, and I think, like I said, that there's around 20, maybe a little bit less of each that are in stock as of this video. So I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, or like what wiggles you're going to pair with these kits in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.